sunny and everybody's waiting on me. Oh, happy 1st of March, everybody. I'm so excited this year that Easter is so late because it gives me time to really decorate for St. Patrick's Day without having to simultaneously decorate for Easter. And, you know, for people wanting to do sunrise services and wearing pretty clothes on Easter, they're more guaranteed a pretty day for that. And I'm happy about it. Hi, boys. As you can see, Don's already been busy and changed out the St. Patrick's Day flag. Well, put St. Patrick's Day on and took off Valentine's Day. There was this, oh, there's Marty down there by the stump, getting some sun. There was a really big child's birthday number 6 balloon out here in the front yard a while ago, and I told Don it looked like it might scare deer, so I wasn't really going to go get rid of it. But I don't see it now, so it's probably down in the creek or something. Maybe when we go out, I'll grab it and tie it to one of the sticks for the afternoon. Some Mylar, so it'll hold a little remnants of helium for a while. But look at that sky. 72 today, 29 tonight. I project 33 here at the house. It'll never hit 29. That's exaggerated. I saw the one hawk go in the one tree, and here comes the other hawk. I sure wish they had picked our yard. I just don't see how they could at this point. It just seems a little late now, but I am continuing to print birdhouse pieces. I think I'm going to have Don put one on the big tree there, just this side of the driveway, the other side of the dogwood, because just it'll be pretty. And I'm looking at the one branch near the bench, and when you're down there it doesn't seem so low, but I don't want that branch to grow out over that area over there, so I'll be having Don help me get that branch down. That shouldn't be a big deal, because I was going back and forth on which tree to put the birdhouse on for decoration. It'd probably last longer in the shade but look prettier in the sun. Go figure. Good morning, Gray. Hi, sweet girl. You doing good? Good. Good. Well, I got up this morning and it is March the 1st, and Don read his meters, and I got busy converting from red for Valentine's Day to green for St. Patrick's Day. I've got gel clings done. I've got both bathrooms swapped, mostly swapped in the kitchen. I did this one tablecloth, but as you can see, I haven't got to the pie table or this table yet, or the tree. I'm probably about halfway through. Thank goodness we can count inflatables, and mini flags outside is done. So we're going to go exercise now because, you know, I haven't been running around doing enough yet this morning. It's time to go in and exercise. God, it's going on 1 o'clock. I don't know how it got to be so late.
Actually, it's going on 2 o'clock. It's 1:48.
Oh!
You know, if we could just stay home for another hour, it'd be nap time.
God, it's windy today. It's supposed to be drop super cold.
They left.
Yeah, we were eyeballing these people that were sort of had their car parked like they were having a picnic in the middle of the parking lot. It was really weird. I don't know.
There's lots of great picnic tables.
We figured out this perfect Tesla parking spot. Nobody on either side.
Well, I would have bet money that it was the starter relay. I ordered some relays. These little Chinese ones. They say made in the USA, but I don't know. 2 of them for $7, $6.99. So I put one of them in there, and it didn't change the symptom, not one bit. So I decided I'm going to sacrifice one. So I have cut it, soldered 2 wires onto the coil, put a little twist tie in there so I could pull it out, and I'm going to put it in there And then I'm going to use a 9-volt battery to pick this relay and see what happens, because the Honda has a ignition interlock. You know, you got to put your foot on the brakes, got to be in park, the steering wheel's got to be such and such, and all these things. So I don't know what the problem is. So I'm going to make sure the starter itself will turn over. And so, you know, I'm going to cheat. Wish me luck. Okay, plan B. The little battery, the relay, I think it was trying to drive too much. In other words, that coil, there's other coils, so the little battery couldn't do it. So I went and, oh well, here we go. Note to self. When you do a little gizmo like this, make sure you put the wires you solder to the relay, you know, make them about 3 or 4 feet long so you can just sit nice and comfortably here in the driver's seat and do your debugging with your meter and all that other stuff. So I went and got a couple little alligator clip-ons, I mean. And so anyway, as you can see, and the voltage at the battery is 13 volts, but that's enough to pick that relay. That relay was picking with 9 volts easily in the garage. Obviously there's something else going on here. It's not the relay. I think I have basically proved myself that the relay is being energized. So I guess maybe there's a solenoid on the starter. You know, the thing that kicks the... I thought the starter turned over and there was like a screw. I don't know anything about Hondas. Let me just rephrase. I've never seen a Honda starter, so I don't know. So I'm going to go YouTube it a little bit and see what I can find and pick back up on it tomorrow. You know, this is, you know, what it does, one step at a time.
Johnny and I are headed to Right Meow, and they're having such a booming business today that we had to park at South Park and walk back over, which is good that they're having a booming business. Well, I got my pretty shamrock tablecloth on. I'm exhausted at 7:20, and we came home from our workout and I just kept on moving. I got my pie table looking good, and I got the tree looking good. Some of the 3D printed things stuck in the front, or not. Well, I was doing a lot of movement. I think it looks very St. Patrick's Day now. So tomorrow when I have some energy, I will change out the tablecloth here. I have one, and I don't have a tablecloth for up there, but it's coming. So, yeah. I am so tired. So tired.